People should try to be creating habitat around their house for bats. People should be welcoming bats onto their properties and embracing their existence. Oh yeah, if you've got mosquitoes like every house in Carborough, you definitely want bats.
So what's the plan?
Oh man, we got 2 big bat boxes with an installation guide that we're gonna bypass.
We're hanging up 2 bat boxes for brown bats to live in, so they're natural mosquito killers. One single bat can eat as many as 20,000 mosquitoes in a single day. Hopefully it'll really keep the mosquito population down and make it more comfortable for the campers.
These bat boxes are known to keep up to a 100-foot radius of insects away out of fear of getting eaten, which will give him this whole area of pretty much bug-free zone once they become inhabited.